welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make chicken rasam. Very easy and healthy recipe, definitely an immunity booster. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a mud pot and add a tablespoon of oil to it. When the oil is nice and hot, add quarter teaspoon of cumin and 1 green chilli. Then add few curry leaves and 10 shallots. Give it a quick saute. Then add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 tomato sliced. Saute well until the raw flavor of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Then add a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, and quarter teaspoon of cumin powder. Saute well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Then add half kg chicken pieces along with bone and mix it well. Add 3 cups of water and allow it to come to a boil. Then close with the lid and let this cook for 30 minutes in low flame. It's been 30 minutes now, so let's open and check. The chicken pieces are nicely done and soft. So go ahead and add half teaspoon of pepper powder and mix it well. Finally, add few chopped coriander leaves and serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, quick and healthy recipe, definitely an immunity booster. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.